Guys, and welcome to part 2 of, not part 2, episode 7 of DarkLight's quest, and today I'm going to be finishing the cow farm and maybe some other stuff. I said I was going to do the finding the cows off camera, but it's not that hard to find them, so... Do I not have any... Do I think I leave my wheat in here, don't I? No? Alright, never mind, I guess I have to... Alright, good. I thought that was... Alright, perfect. Here. Here you go, sheep. What the... Did he just... I'm not even gonna ask. I just dropped that seed and like... I'm gonna leave that open. What should we eat? I don't know. Hey, cow. Come here. Come on, buddy. Yeah, how far? Alright, we're not that far. Come on, little buddy. Come on, buddy. You know you want it. You know you want the wheat. You know you want it. Come on, go in there. Yeah. Boom. Is that one down? I believe there was another one over here. There you are. Come on, little dude. Come on. Here. Get over here. I can live off of steak. I was gonna have a pig farm, but I didn't have carrots. And plus, cows are better because they give you leather. Still following me? I just realized that cow's eyes were zigzag, or whatever you call it. Cross eyes. There. Hey, baby cow. There. Alright, what other kind of farm could we have? Chicken farm for eggs. Pig farm. Not really, we don't need a pig farm. A mushroom would be really hard to get here. But, mushrooms just give you, like, unlimited food, honestly. You don't even have to kill them, you could have one for... Anyways, I think we might start the chicken farm. Because chicken farms are pretty easy to build. I think I'll build a chicken farm here. It'll be like 3 by 3. I think it'll be good. Actually, I'm gonna need ladders to get out, aren't I? I knew that was gonna happen. Oh god. Alright. Guys, I'm gonna turn this gamma up. I put my gamma on, 50, 40 for you guys, because it gets really bright at day for you guys. But I'm gonna turn it up so I can see. I'll turn it up every time we go cave exploring. Isn't this where the cow farm was? I think it was. Yeah, it was. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna need bladders. I think we had some ladders at home from something, I don't know. Do we? No, we don't have. I think it's 3. 3 will be enough. I left my door open. Chickens are a little harder to get. Actually, no, they aren't. They're actually pretty easy to get. When did I start building it over here? Alright, I'll take that. There we go. Four more pieces. Okay. Could you imagine if I went in that cave and, like, there was a creeper and it just blew up the whole... I'd get mad. Wait, why did I put that away? I didn't even need to. I actually need it. We're 7 minutes in. Here. I think if I make them 3 high, that should be good. Never mind. I'll do that later. I don't need to do it now. Sorry that I'm really quiet, guys. I don't know why I'm quiet a lot. I don't really know what to say, so I'm just quiet. Should I need a door? I'm gonna make a little... There. Alright. I don't think the chickens can climb up ladders. I don't even think villagers can, so I don't see my chickens would be able to. It's like a little farm. I realized I didn't even light up the farm yet, so I'm gonna need some torches too. I'm gonna make torches on the way here. I'm probably gonna get the chickens off camera. Okay. I'm gonna get that. Hold on, we got time. I just saw one chicken somewhere. Yeah, I'll get the chickens off camera. Um, this is probably, yeah. I'm gonna see you guys later.